Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about Mercedes Benz engine code P0342 if your Mercedes has a check engine light, loss of power, or starting problems. This video will help you understand the issue and how to fix it. Let's begin. The P0342 engine code means camshaft position sensor circuit low input. This means the engine control unit is receiving a lower than normal signal from the camshaft position sensor. Because of this, the ECU cannot correctly control ignition timing and fuel injection. If your Mercedes has this code, you may experience check engine light on, hard starting or no start condition, engine misfires, rough or unstable idle, poor acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, engine stalling in some cases. The most common causes include 1. The faulty camshaft position sensor, 2. Sensor signal wire shorted to ground, free loose, damaged, or corroded connector, 4. Low engine oil level or dirty oil, 5. Timing chain or timing adjuster problem, 6. ECU issue very rare. It means that the engine control module detected the engine camshaft position sensor circuit is not within specifications. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0342 error code. Method A. The crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is most often located on the front underside of the engine. It can usually be found mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the crankshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. Method B. The camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0342 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.